PermeTeq, wet pour permeable surfacing. Protecting and caring for trees is something Treescape and our councils take very seriously. With that in mind, Treescape introduces a new permeable paving product made from 100% recycled, shredded truck tyres that helps protect and care for trees in our urban environment. Once the team have established a safe workplace, we start by removing the current surrounds, grates, drain covers, pebbles and mud, etc. A layer of drainage metal made up of small locally sourced stones is laid down. On top of that, the permeable paving mix is installed. The 100% recycled truck tire chips are mixed with resin, applied and evened out. The material is left to set over a 24 to 48 hour period. Being permeable, it allows water to flow to the tree's root system rather than simply flowing onto the road. That improves the soil around the tree by keeping it constantly moist, encouraging more worms, which is great for tree health. And it looks great and comes in 3 color variations. PermeTeq, wet pour permeable surfacing.